Ndewo kekime ahambo Ijemakubwe. So I haven't done a live video in this format for a long time, but for some reason I'm struggling to do a landscape view on my phone today. So kekime, ta ihanye gamo family members in Igbo, okay? Family members in Igbo, okay? So if you know it already, take this as a revision, okay? So a bit with mother. Ne is mother. Nne-mother. Okay. Ma is mom. So that's mother also. So nne-mother. Ma mom. Nna-father. Mpa-dad. Nna-father. Mpa-dad. Okay. Nwa-child. Nwa-child. Ụmụ-children. Ụmụ-children. Okay. Nwa-child. Ụmụ-children. Okay. Nwanne-sibling. Nwanne-sibling. So it can be brother or sister. Nwanne. Okay. Nwanne-nwoke, my brother. Nwanne-nwoke. Okay, my brother. Nwanyị, my sister. Okay? Nwanyị, my sister. So nwanyị, female, nwoke, male. Okay? Nnukwu, grandmother. Okay? Nnukwu, so remember Mma was mom. Nnukwu means big, so big mama, okay? Which is grandmother. Nnukwu, grandmother. Nnukwu, grandfather. Okay? Now is your turn. You're going to do a little quiz in the comment. Oh, I'm not sure there's a comment section anymore because of some YouTube changes. But no worries. If you're unable to comment on my videos, that's okay. But if you need to contact me for any serious inquiries, you can email me at ijoma@igbostudy.com. Okay? So this teaching for today has finished. And I want you this opportunity to remind you that the boot camp is opening soon. So if you're not on the bootcamp wait list, what are you waiting for? You need to join that VIP wait list because you get an exclusive bonus just for being on that list, okay? And you need to join that list ASAP, okay? All right, I'll put the link in the description. Na-asụkwa Igbo. Okay. Now comes time to end this. Oh dear. That's how you know I've not been doing this for a while.